Hey guys and girls, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to show you how to make French style pan-seared chicken with a cream or an evaporated milk sauce. What we're going to do is get some juniper berries, some butter, some black pepper, white pepper, allspice berries, some nutmeg, parsley, chop up some thyme and sage, get our evaporated milk out, some rosemary, and some chopped garlic. Of course, we have salt and peppers already in there, so what I'm going to show you next is the olive oil we're going to use to marinate our chicken in. That's pearls of Cosenza organic olive oil from the mountains of Italy, where we get this straight from, and it's actually distributed by us too, so be sure to check it out. Okay, so we've got the chicken all marinated, and we've put some cuts in it so that all the spices and herbs dig in to the meat. Here we go. All we've left on the cutting board is our butter, our fresh parsley, rosemary sprig, because we're just going to add it at the right time, and just a few sprinkles of herbs just to give it a nice subtle flavor at the end as well. You don't have to do that, but I think it just adds to the dish. So yeah, just get half your butter here and start frying that chicken in it. That's all you need to do. Okay, well that's not quite half, so yeah. Still a bigger half. Alright, well, get half your butter and throw it into the pan. Get ready to make some serious chicken. Once you've got your chicken in the pan, as you can see, I've taken out the tenders as well, whatever was left of them, and I've put them in last. So let's start in order. Make sure it's nice and roasted at the bottom before you go flipping things over, so it's not quite roasted. Just gonna wait a sec, and we're gonna let that roast off a little bit before we flip. Once we flip, we're going to let it roast for another minute or so, and quickly add our cream to be glazed with. Now we're going to have to flip them one more time, and the chicken's roasting nicely. We're going to get some of the water out of the other side there, and we're just going to flip them back once more because this side isn't cooked. And yeah, there we go. We're going to add our cream after that. And add the rest of your butter, and just toss it around so that every piece get some of that nice brown butter and that fresh butter as well. Brown butter is the key here. Alright, so now you're going to see what I'm talking about. You're just going to take this brown butter in a circular motion like that. Now don't lose the brownness of the butter, don't turn it dark brown. Okay, that's the key. So to take out that garlic there, you can. I'd like to leave it in. I'm like that. So yeah, at this stage, you should add your cream before it goes brown, before it goes dark brown. Add your cream and taste for salt. Okay, so put on a lid and make sure that it's on slow heat. Don't let it overboil because it is cream. So the cream is in. Just make sure it boils on slow heat. Don't let it overboil. Take it off the stove if you need to, you know. Make sure every side gets even heat though. Once it's there, just throw in your parsley and it'll be perfect. Chop it up, throw it in just like that. It's up to you. All right, so we're gonna uncover. Sprinkle in your fresh parsley. And cover again. It's been about 15 minutes of cooking. We can just turn the heat off. Alright, so the cream is thick enough as a sauce. The cream has now become sauce. So now it's time to get rid of the lid. French style pan roasted chicken with butter and parsley cream sauce. Sprinkle some parsley on top.